Use the information in this table to draw a bar graph. And we want to clearly label each bar. Notice we have 8 blood types given. And then look over the percents. The percents go from 1% to a high of 38%. So keep that in mind as you're setting up your axes for your bar graph. Here's my bar graph. Remember those percents? The highest was 38%, so I just went in increments of 5 up to 40, and that's percent of population. Here are the different blood types. And I went ahead and listed the percents down here so you would not have to go back to the table, and we could just draw from here. So let me draw a few of these bars in our bar graph. 9% for B positive, so I go up to a height of 9, less than 10, about that height, and I draw my bar. We'll just do a few of these and then I'll show you the completed graph. There we go. There's a bar for that bar graph. What about, say, B negative, 2%? Go to a height of 2, less than half of 5, and I'll just hand draw this. And there's 2, and there we go. What about 38%? That's going to be all the way almost up to 40, and I'll draw that in just a moment. So study this, and now we'll take a moment and then look at the completed bar graph. And here's my resulting bar graph. Notice I've labeled my axes, I've labeled my bar graph, and you can label your bars, the height, here as I've done, or up here as you go along. But there's the bar graph.